September 18th, 2023. This is Mike Reed with a video for you on effing eggs. Why effing eggs? Well, effing eggs has got a lot of buzz about it. Something you should pay attention to. They're coming to a city near you. Effing eggs. Restaurantnews.com is talking about it. Let's see here. I first heard about it from Nation's Restaurant News. They did a YouTube video with three of the editors a couple weeks ago. And near the end of the video, they talked about effing eggs. Here's Restaurant News release. They also did one about it. So we're going to touch on all of these. But if any of you guys are watching or listening, they will never run out of shipping containers. So the rest of you that are watching, effing eggs uses these mini shipping containers, almost like the pup containers from trucking. So that is their whole design. So the base is comprised of two shipping containers joined together, and then they have one across the top. I don't know what the other one on the side is. I don't know if that's their storage or, for garbage or what. I have no idea. So here we go. Let's see here. Let me look at the review. This is Dallas Fort Worth.
Hey, Chow
Fair
House,
use?
it's the new effing
Fair
egg. That's what I said. Effing egg, right there. In Fort Worth, Texas. Check it out.
Let me give him a like.
As soon as you open that door, you can see how beautiful
Oh,
and
look at
vibrant
that.
the colors are with the open kitchen and dining room. Just wait.
And that's
till
a
you
shipping
come enjoy
container.
Some
What the
effing.
hell?
They are open on Magnolia Avenue, and they have a plethora of fresh breakfast
Outside,
items and savory sweet treats.
you have
Like
plenty
the
of
breakfast
refrigeration.
sandwich, the effing tater tots, the bagel. Oh, the cheesy grilled cheese. Woo! It is just waiting for you to come enjoy some fresh egg effing deliciousness. Oh, I enjoyed this fresh bagel sandwich. It was cheesy.
Well, then he
eggy,
Dallas Fort Worthy.
and oh, so delicious. Look at that. Look at that
Fair
bad
use,
boy
fair
right there.
use.
Tell me it's just not loaded. And the breakfast sandwich, look at this. Look at that
I
cheese.
mean, people seem to
that
love it.
fresh egg, that bacon. Look at that. You need one of these.
Quite a few
They
different
were delicious
proteins.
with their house-made sauce and the slutty
They had
pancakes.
tacos.
That's what I said.
Yeah, they
with
had
their
tacos.
house-made sauce and the slutty pancakes. That's what I said. Slutty pancakes. If you don't go, you don't know.
But that one don't look like a shipping container.
Favorite.
They're supposed to be making them out of shipping containers. I don't know what the deal is with that. All right, so that was a YouTube video. Restaurantnews.com did a thing on them. Hold on a second here. All right, we'll go into restaurant news release. Massive expansion in New Jersey. All right, New Jersey. The Florida-based fast casual funky breakfast sandwich concept is poised for a massive expansion in the state of New Jersey. So they got funding through Rossi Capital. Let's see here. So they started with Morristown. Let me jump back and forth. Let me jump back and forth for you guys. Let's do this. Let me show you their map right now. So this is what's in the pipeline and what is currently happening right now. Let me make sure I'm looking at what you guys are looking at. Good. So we got Kansas City, Missouri, Naperville that's already up. That's where I'm from-ish, about 20 minutes away. Northbrook coming soon. That's a little north of me. Lansing, that's south of me by 45 minutes on the highway. I mean, on the tollway. 45 minutes south of me from Chicago. Memphis, So I have people that watch me from Memphis. You're coming soon. So I would definitely jump on this. For you all in Memphis that are doing commercial, this is coming soon. Definitely contact these people and get in there. So Fort Worth, Texas, we just saw the YouTube review on that place, which is not made out of shipping containers. Decatur, Georgia, where it's straighter. What is I forgot how that saying goes. Decatur, where it's greater. That's what it is. Decatur, where it's greater. That location is already up. This will compete with Flying Biscuit. So this is the type of breakfast morning spot that competes with Flying Biscuit in Georgia. So you got Athens, Georgia coming soon. Morristown, New Jersey, New York, and Yakima. Now, if I'm not, isn't that Yakima Mountains? So I guess that's going to be a little ways away from Seattle, but I think that's the Yakima Mountains that they're talking about. So if they're going to Yakima, Seattle is not that far behind. So if you're in the greater Seattle area, I would give them your information because they're going to branch out towards those larger cities. They're going to where it's less expensive first to get started, get a buzz going, and then they're going to come into the larger areas. They do, as you saw from the video explained it all. But just so you know, so hey, they got the coffee. They're going to have some kind of toasters like what you guys see me do the video. That is a huge part of their business is the bun toasters. So they're going to do Volrav or Atco, or AJ Antunes. It could even be Prince Castle. So you're looking at one of those four, really. So many different type of proteins, avocado bagel, the burritos. So now you're talking about something that's going to heat up those burritos. So we'd have to see what that is. Effin sides, cinnamon rolls, eggs, bacon. I got AJ Antunes vibes all up and down from this one. This is right up AJ Antunes' alley. And so you got potheads with the coffee. So of course you're looking at some kind of bun or one of those for that, and then you got cookies. So maybe they do have some kind of conveyor toaster with the type of you're not going to do cookies in an upright toaster. You're looking at some kind of conveyor toaster for cookies. Anyway, you're I don't know about taking a trip to Dallas just to see one of these suckers, but they're gonna make their way down to me eventually. But here you go, effing eggs. That is what they look like. They are growing. Definitely something to look into. Lots for you to get into. You got East Coast, West Coast, down south, central part of the states, and they're growing. It has got a real buzz. When I looked into all the franchise websites and all the people that sell franchise locations, I mean they said they had so many viewers. They basically exceeded the number of views that they allow for this location. So they probably won't show it to me until tomorrow. So here's what they're talking about. If you were to buy one, 100,000 license fee is 35 to get started. 6% royalties, which is in line. All right, we are majority takeout concept, which is the ongoing thing. Oh, pardon me. Oh, sorry about that. Ongoing training and support, great territory, simple business model, and none of this says anything about maintenance support. So they're all going to start out with the exact same equipment, whether they're in New York, Florida, or anywhere else, here's the contact information that I can find so far for Jeff Martin, who is basically a broker, from what I can see. But it's good to get your information to whoever you can. Here is the CEO. Now, they did an interview with the CEO. There's a video of him. Founder and CEO of Buttercream Dreams Hospitality Group, which means he's got more. I haven't even looked into it, but he's got more in the pipeline. He's got other concepts out there. But from what I saw with the interview a couple weeks ago, they're focusing on putting these places up with the with the containers, with the shipping containers. And there is no end in sight to shipping containers that they can use. As long as they haven't stored pesticides or radioactive materials, they can pretty much clean up those sea containers that are no longer seaworthy, and they can use them as a restaurant. So here's the CEO. Oh, so you would actually, Jeff Martin is the CEO. Okay, so the information I've given you is to the actual, it's not a broker, it's to the actual CEO. So this is the best person to contact. Just to email them your information, where you are, so that they can have your information submitted with the franchisee, so that they have a person to contact to take care of their equipment. So just make sure you email them, let them know what you're taking care of and all that good stuff. And make sure to stay in contact with these people. All right. Well, I'll let you guys get to it. And that'll be it. I hope you guys are successful with this one. Have a good one.